What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and today we are going to create a push traffic campaign using rich ads. So let's dive in. Alright, so I'm at the homepage of richads.com, and we are going to create a push campaign today with rich ads. But before we dive in, let me tell you that you can still join the Deberoo Suite beta for free. Yeah, that's right, you can still get your free access to the all-round affiliate marketing platform with all the software and the tools that you could possibly need for your affiliate marketing journey. So check it out, the link is in the description. Make sure to sign up. Now let's go create our push campaign. So if you don't have an account yet with Rich Ads, basically it's very simple. You just press sign up, and then I'm already logged in apparently, but you just fill in your details, and then boom, in just minutes you have your own account with Rich Ads. It's very easy and the process is really quick. So make sure to do that. Now we are going to create a new campaign. And we are going to create a push campaign, a push notification campaign. And then right at the top, you would put in your destination URL. All right, so destinationurl.com, whatever. Okay, and then we need a title. So for example, get your groceries covered by us. 29 out of 30 characters. Perfect. So we have 45 for the message. So people, well, no, I don't want to do that. So your grocery covered by us. Get your free groceries today. Or maybe take this easy step and get your groceries covered. Nope. Your groceries paid for with one easy step. Groceries. Groceries, alright. Cool, so we need an icon of 192 by 192, and we need basically a creative image of 492 by 328. So let's open up Canva, and we are going to start with the icon 192 by 192. And then let's create another Canva of 492 by 328. 492 by 328 for the creative image. All right, let's start out here. And I want to do something with shopping cart illustration. There it is. So I did something like this a little while ago, so I still have some inspiration on what I did with that actual campaign and what I want to show you today. So let's see. I don't want to use these black and white images. I want something that attracts a little bit more attention. This is okay, but it's too empty. I think I like this one. So let's see if we can crop this the right way. I'm going to save this image. And I don't need that website. Okay, so let's dive in here. Put it in. Whoops. So if I do this, it automatically crops it in the size that I want. And that's what I like about Canva. It saves me a lot of time. I don't have to push around and pull around, etc., etc. It knows what I want. I drag it to the corner and it automatically fills it in. All right, so we don't need that anymore. Leave that. And let's go back to the campaign. It's been downloaded, so I'm gonna drop it right here. And then for the other image, I want something like a shopping spree, right? Where people are doing like a 1 minute free shopping kind of thing. 1 minute free shopping and groceries. So maybe Vons, for example. Let's see, okay, maybe delete Vons because that's not giving me the results that I want. Too much of a stock image, but this is the idea that I want to create, right? Just so that we're on the same page, you know what I'm looking for. And maybe put contest behind it. Whoops. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Let's see. Not really the results that I was hoping for. Let's see if we can get some similar images to this. Oh, this makes no sense. What the fuck? Okay, so we would have to look for something else. Let's see. Nope. Free shopping. Free shopping? Just that. Free shopping cart. 1 minute cart fill shopping. I don't know. I'm just trying some different things. Look. Look at that. Okay. So right now this is definitely not what I'm looking for. But it comes in the direction, and then when I click on that image, I'll get more images down here. And when I click on see more, I will get all kinds of related images. Oh, not a whole lot, okay? So maybe something in here. What's this? Like a Black Friday something? Not really what I'm looking for. Nope. Free grocery shopping. Free grocery shopping. Let's see what kind of results we get when we search for that. Maybe free grocery shopping and then 1 minute. Because I now just get results of people doing groceries. Now there's no rush in this picture, but it's once again kind of what I like, so I'm going to take a look at the related images. Good shit. Dope. Look at this action picture. Holy shit. I like this. I like it. So this is a good picture, but I want the card to be somewhat fuller. It's totally empty right now. There's no rush in here. Let's see. He's going for the ham. All right. Good for you. All right, sure. This works. Save image. And we are going to upload that right here. Kabam! All right. So this is what we want, right? It looks like a supermarket. Looks like, actually like a Vons, right? Is this Vons? I think so. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Drop that in there. We can even crop it within Rich Ads. And it's been uploaded. So this is what the creative would look like. There we go. Awesome. Landing page, that's fine. Main conversions, we're going to do a postback request to volume, and we've got the main conversion link, approved conversion, I don't care about that. Alright, so we are going to run this in the United States, the US of A, including all regions, including all cities, and we are only gonna run this on mobile, so I'm gonna deselect tablet and desktop, and I want a max of 2 impressions per user per day. And then the budget, the recommended budget is 5.82 cents. I'm just going to crank it up to 6 cents. Whoops, what did I do? Oh, all right. And we $100 budget. Is that total? No, that's daily, right? Yeah, per day. Okay. All right. I'm gonna do even distribution. $100 is fine with me. And we can even select our audience, our advanced targeting, our sources, our schedule, etc. So you can set in all these advanced setups for your campaign. So go over them and see if everything is properly set up. That's going to be it for this one. Don't forget to check out the Deberoo Suite Beta, and then I will catch you next time. Peace out.